What's up, gang? It's your boy Deuce Wop. I'm back with another one. So look, today we're gonna be doing some light work. It's gonna be a little review. I'm gonna do a review on the Genesis. So before we get into this video, I need y'all to like, one, subscribe, second, and third, hit that notification bell right down there, okay? So that y'all can be aware of every video that I post. Alright? Let's get to it.
Go crazy, AG.
Wow.
I hit the gas, I'm always on the go. Bet I won't move unless you book a show. These feature prices starting to get to me. Cause we just met and now she fucking me. That nigga living where he rap, she wanna fuck with me. I got them bows and sent them bitches straight to Tennessee. You say she love you, but go fuck all on your enemies. I can't express my feelings off this weed and Hennessy.
Alright guys, we made it to the car. I'm finna give y'all my review. You feel me? I like it. It's like a Benz 750, a Benz 750 or a Mercedes Benz S550. It give me those same vibes. See how the front is? I like it because it got the grill. First of all, when you see the grill, it's like in the LED lights. You feel me? I like that type of stuff. Solid color. Nothing too flashy. You see the back? Very nice. It give me Aston Martin vibes. Very nice, solid color. I like to keep it plain. Boss look. But overall, like I said, this car is a very nice car. The one thing I didn't like, how they didn't put no lights under there. So I had to put some lights under them myself. You can go get them at AutoZone. Any parts store. See, like I say, it gives me Benz vibes. You feel me? You got the dashboard right there. Very nice. Okay, let's get it. In the seats, it's hella room. Like, you will not be bunched up in here at all. Hella room. You got to take something down in the back. You definitely got space. Definitely got space. Look at the steering wheel. I like how they got the look. They're like a bird with they, they're like an Aston Martin almost. Very nice. Okay, stop playing with Genesis. They said they want their own brand. This is not no Hyundai. Okay. Overall, I love the car. It drives comfortable. It's low key. If you want to be like, it's not low key because people tell me all the time like, hey man, you got a nice car. But me, I come from Jaguars, Mercedes Benz, BMWs, stuff like that. I've been driving since I was 18. So driving a Genesis, like this is a brand new car almost. This is like a like this car just came out. They was a Hyundai at first. And it wasn't even a Genesis, it was a Hyundai. So people played it, like because they didn't want to be driving a Hyundai. So a lot of people played it. This lady almost got hit with a dog, y'all. I almost ran her over. But no, seriously. They played Genesis because, because it was made by Hyundai. But eventually they branched off and became their own company, which is Genesis. So that's pretty much why I like it. I would suggest you get the car if you want the car. If you've been thinking about getting it and you just trying to get the final confirmation. You feel me? Like, if I was you, if you want to be on some player but still low key, off the radar, get it. It's a very nice car. You're gonna definitely get your your money's worth. I wouldn't send you off with that. I'm definitely a car person, so I would know. Okay? I don't want to be in no bullshit. So I won't put none of my subscribers in no bullshit. But like I say, like video, subscribe. I'm gonna keep bringing y'all